How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting it on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily delete picture from Google Photos without actually deleting it from your device. It's quite simple, so first thing you have to do is go to Photos, and then from here, you want to just select a picture that you want to delete. I'll just head over to Collections for now. And then I can just select any image from here. I'll just select a random image that I want to delete. Let's say if I want to delete this image, I can just tap on this bin icon, but it's going to ask me to allow photos to move this to the bin. So what it's going to do is it's going to delete it from my phone as well. So instead of doing this, what you basically do is first turn off your backup. So I'll just cancel this deletion, go back, tap on the top right corner on your profile, and then from here go to backup. Make sure that your backup is turned off. I've currently turned off my backup. Now you could just go back and you're going to have to access Google Photos from your browser. Open up any browser you have. I'll just go ahead and open it up and go to photos.google.com. You might have to log in one more time since if it's your first time. Then you can just select any photo you want that you want to delete. I'll just select this one for now. Tap on the bin icon at the top right. Then tap on move to trash. Now, if you move this to trash, it's not going to be deleted from your phone since you have done it from your web browser. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.